For these, I like to make 2-inch squares. So I lift up the square and I fold it point to point, leaving it open in the middle. Then using my index fingers, I slide them in the middle and I fold it opposite point to point, making a triangle. Folded point to point, leaving it open in the middle. So I hold the other side and then I use one index finger on the inside and then my thumb or my index finger on the outside to fold it the other way. So I can press the outside to help angle the shape. Then grab each end and then tug it a little bit.